more, make sure to subscribe and hit all alerts. Okay. You got to get all of the alerts because I post a lot of content. We go really fast. I do like to post really short form content so you guys get the news that you need so you can make an educated decision on whatever it is you want to ape into. We're going to be talking about meme coins. Yes, meme coins. And it is very serious because that's where a lot of the capital is. It's in meme coins. And just like with NFTs, just like with DeFi Summer, just like with all of the different coins that we've seen before, a lot of times those profits do roll over to Bitcoin. Why do they roll over to Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin will always be queen. That's the thing. It doesn't matter how many coins crypto has. It doesn't matter how great this coin is, that coin, yourmom.com is. It matters because the money will flow into Bitcoin just a tad. Just a tad. You can show whatever it is you want now. This is the thing. On Sundays, we do a degen stream. The reason why we do a degen stream on Sundays is because we've had a good weekend, we spent time with our families, and we are ready to prepare on Sundays for the rest of the week. We want to know what Bitcoin is doing price action-wise so that we can prepare. And the reason why I like to keep things like a little bit more like professional, if you want to say that, on the weekdays is because there's a lot of news happening. There's a lot happening. And you need to understand what's happening so that you can make educated decisions based on your wants and needs and financial situation individually. Okay. It's important to know what's going on in crypto because at the end of the day, we have meme coin season right now. There's a lot of insanity happening. But at the same time, we have a lot of regulatory uncertainty. So I don't want to get too deep into it. We're going to have fun. Okay. Sundays are for fun. You guys can show whatever it is you want. I might not cover it because I've got quite a few to discuss with you guys. As always, I'm an entertainer. I'm a shock jock. I am an idiot on the internet. None of this is financial advice. Nothing will ever be financial advice on this show. The only thing I aim to do is to let you know what's going on in the space, give you my commentary, and you think for yourself. So hear what I say, but listen to yourself. All right. Also, too, my neck still hurts. Oh my God, it's been bad. So I probably need a new chair, probably not use this stuffed animal from $10 stuffed animal from Target as a backrest, but that's what we do here. That's what we do here. But we are first. Yeah. Oh, here's Raider. All right. So Raider and I are in a couple things. We're in a couple things here and there. Ooh, shout out to Speedy. I haven't heard that one in a while. But yeah, so I've got some notes for you guys because I'm like, you guys know if I don't have my notes, I'm literally all over the place. But we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it. First and foremost, I don't know. Why didn't I live stream yesterday? I was in Salt Lake City coming back from Karate Combat. As you guys know, Karate Combat is up only gaming. Anytime you guys play on that app and you pick who your favorite fighters are, there's no way you can lose. I love Karate Combat. They have been so good to me, so good to the self-care lab. They're built on H-bar. They're built on H-bar. And we talked about it, but I'm going to remind y'all again, if you're not paying attention to what they're doing, you need to. Karate Combat, they just launched their layer 2 up, and basically anybody can like build on it and license it out. So if you want to do like a card game thing or any other type of games or martial arts or whatever it is, you can do that. And some of those proceeds, they flow back into karate. So it's a really cool ecosystem. Why am I talking about it? Because I just left there and they're amazing. I love it. And I know that my tic-tackies that are watching, you beautiful babes, you guys love H-bar. Plus H-bar, I believe, is ISO 222. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the Bitcoin. Well, crypto first. We're going to take a look at bubbles, and the memes are up. This is crypto bubbles. We love them. Absolutely love them. It's free. Go use them. MOG 21%, SPX 200%, Nero 73%. Sui, which I bought the top, and you're like, oh, she bought the top. Guess what? It's up. I just bought a little bit. I told you guys, just a little bit, just to get my feet in the door, my foot in the door. Sui 26%, Brett 22%. Okay. This is on the weekly. If you look at what's happening, they're meme coins. We're going to get into Bitcoin. I'm going to let you know what I see on the charts over here. And then we're going to talk a teeny bit about risk management. I know it's not sexy. I know you guys don't care. I know you don't want to hear it, but we're doing it anyways because that's what I do on my channel. And then I'm going to show you guys a bunch of meme coins that you guys can do with that information, whatever it is you want to do. Again, I'm an idiot on the internet. I am not a financial advisor. Okay, if you want financial advice, Brian Dame.io down below, licensed and regulated to give you financial advice, creates custom crypto traditional financial products for you, like SEPs and IRAs, that type of stuff. Okay. You talk to him, not me. All right. So this is the daily. Again, SPX, Brett. And then there's the more legit one. Well, it's not that they're not legit, but you know what I'm saying. Memes are really carrying the way. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Let's start fresh, naked charts. We love to see it. So we don't have the Bitcoin weekly close yet. Bitcoin weekly close will happen in 6 hours and 40 minutes. Ooh, thank you so much. I love purple too. Yeah, purple's like really like vibey. And then let me show you this. This over here, that's my wall, and those are soundboards, and those are purple and pink, and they're just cute. I love them. They're expensive, but they're well worth it because it's my job. Anyways, let's take a look at the weekly. What's Market Cipher telling us? All right, so Market Cipher is looking a little bit bold, like it's tilted up this way, but then the little like thingies, the lines, I never use the correct words for anything ever. Why not? It doesn't make life fun. But those headed downward. So we're kind of like, eh. But taking a look in the weekly, we're just kind of going sideways. We are technically in a downtrend. We got the swing wick high at about $74,000, the higher lows, lower highs. I always get those confused, but we're in a downtrend. Okay. So we can see this very clearly. We're in this little bit of a downtrend over here, and we really need to kind of break out above $66,000 and sustain. Okay. So as far as this, as the weekly goes, we got a swing wick high to 64.3, which I'm going to turn it purple because I love purple. And then we're going to go down here to 59. And then we've really just kind of been trading, going sideways at about 62, really about 62. And this is neither bullish nor bearish. It's just kind of sideways. And a lot of people are getting really, really, really tired. I do have a TikTok shop, and I showed you guys the birria balls, the easy bombs. So good. So good. So good. Oh, so good. Anyways. All right. So this is going to be the daily. Okay. So we're just kind of going sideways, or the weekly. I apologize. I'm excited. All right. Now taking a look at the daily. Daily's kind of ugly. We did have a swing wick low to 62.3, but we're back up. We opened at 63.2, but we're back up. We're really kind of holding the line here at 62.63. So we really haven't done a whole lot. We did have the God tier candle that happened, I think, on the 11th, which was it Friday? Yeah, it was Friday, which is beautiful. That got us above this 62 area. But at the same time, we're just kind of ranging. So there's not a whole lot of exciting activity happening in Bitcoin right now, and that's okay. But again, I do believe Bitcoin will break all-time highs regardless who wins. We're getting a bull run. We're in a bull run. We've been in one, but it's with meme coins. So don't miss out on that stuff, okay? Now, taking a look at the 4 hour, what's going to happen? 4 hours kind of fighting. We had that move down to like 62.1. We're back up. So where are we going to end up this week? Me personally, I would love to get a close above 66,000. That's not going to happen as far as I can see. I say we're probably going to get a close about 62, 63. Is this the food channel? Yes, it is. We got Fatty streaming over here. God, my neck freaking, it's getting better. I got to put one of the patches on. Anyways, I can't even get a massage on one chart. So anyways, just as long as we like can close at 62, 63, that's fine. Like we really need to stay above $60,000. That's all I'm going to say. Like there's nothing greatly bullish about this. Like you can see even on this chart too. So as far as Bitcoin goes, we're just kind of ranging, going sideways. But the cool thing about Bitcoin now in 2024, as opposed to last cycle, we have runes, we have ordinals, we have BRC20 tokens. And I'm going to talk to you about some of those that you should be paying attention to. And as most of you guys know, Crypto Gamer has given us so much freaking alpha. Okay? So much freaking alpha. Thank you so much. That was the most beautiful compliment. She looks like Cher and Miss Adams from the Addams Family. God, she is fine. Thank you so much. That is actually one of the bestest, most beautiful comments I've ever gotten. Thank you so much. That's like, hello. I love Cher. I love Miss Adams. Like, you guys are the best. Thank you so much. And I always get eyeliner right here. But yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you. Okay. Anyways, and then I've got some Bitcoin ordinal stuff, rune stuff we're going to talk about. And those ones came from a friend of mine. So I was like, what should I talk about on the show? And he's like, here, talk about these. So shout out to Eric. So we're going to talk about those. And I think I have one of the ordinals of that. I have to double check, but I'm going to be filling my bags up, all that stuff. Anyways, I was going on with Bitcoin. I got to do, and make sure you guys smash a like. If you guys do not smash a like, that does not help me. It doesn't help the channel. Okay. Doesn't help the channel any way, shape, or form. You literally have to smash the like and you have to share this. If you don't do it, then that doesn't help the channel. It doesn't help people get this information. So let's go ahead and take a look at some other top cryptos in the industry. So Ethereum, what's she doing? Ethereum is just kind of chilling. We need to really stay, like this chart is easy on the weekly. We need to stay above this stupid trend line here at $2,400. Okay. I'll let you know what I'm buying. But again, if you decide to buy it and you don't take profit, that's not my problem. Okay. Please. Cause we're not doing that anymore. Yeah. Just for Ethereum looks okay. We've really just kind of gone sideways and sustained $2,400. We need to stay above 2,300. So Ethereum's looking good. Solana's doing her thing. Solana kind of similar price action. We range from about 137 to about 145. Fine. And again, really until Solana gets over like 158, I'm just going to keep watching it and I have it alert set. Now, SUI is something that we've also been talking about. And SUI, remember when I bought the top and you're like, she bought the top. Blah, blah, blah. Guess what? It's up. So I'm in profit. Like my $100 is now like $102. Woo. So SUI officially broke all-time high. Shout out to SUI. So my $100 is now worth $102. But yeah, SUI is in price discovery now. This is awesome. Shout out to everybody. And again, there probably will be a SUI meme coin season and there will be a Metris meme coin season we are anticipating. I will dump some money into that soon. All right. Now I also want to give a shout out to Dog. I love Dog. I got a bag of Dog. And the reason why I got Dog is because I bought rune stones and I got some Dog. That's what happens. So Dog, this is going to be the daily, trading at about 0.005 right now. It's looking like we're having a bit of a retrace, but ultimately just as long as we stay above 0.0004, great. This had a really nice dip, really, really, really nice dip. So if you pick some up, you are in profit now. So Dog, I just want to see you sustain above 0.004, okay? I was never going to move to Dubai. Never. All right, so that's what's happened with Dog. Runes, BRC20s. Pay attention to what's being built on Bitcoin, okay? Okay. Also, too, we're going to get into our risky stuff. But before we do that, let's talk about how to take profit, because that's probably the biggest thing. You're going to see that we're in the euphoria phase of meme coins. We already are. And the reason why is we see people that are making posts and content, which is great, totally fine. And they're giving insane price targets. Great, fine, fantastic, don't care. Their portfolios, their capital, their risk tolerance is not like yours. The best way to protect your capital in any type of investing, and this is what I do, and this is what we've been screaming on the channel, on TikTok, on Twitter, on every single damn platform. I've got like 900,000 followers on all the platforms combined. I think something ridiculous like that, which I'm very blessed, but super crazy. Listen, you have to learn to take profit. You have to be able to detach yourself emotionally. Should you diamond hand this stuff? Moonbag strategy is the best thing. And I've made a lot of money off of this, okay? A moonbag strategy is when you take disposable income, you've done your due diligence, you understand the risk tolerance, you understand risk, especially with meme coins, you will probably lose it all. That's why paper trade first. And again, Moonshot is great. Moonshot, if you're just getting into meme coins, I've got a ref link on the website, CryptoWendyO.com, a ref link down below. I get meme coins, you get meme coins. The reason why I talk about Moonshot is because the contract addresses, you're not going to buy the wrong contract address. And there's projects that have been around a little bit longer and that have a little bit larger market cap. So it feels a little bit safer, but there's still risk associated. It's super easy to use and you don't have to be in the trenches. They've already bonded, etc. Now, with that being said, you can still lose a lot of money on meme coins, the most risky. However, you can also make a lot of money on meme coins. So we do our due diligence. We have our disposable income. We have our trading and investing journal. We understand the risk. We dump a little bit of money in there. Maybe it's $50, maybe it's $100, $500, $10,000. I don't know. My risk tolerance is different than your risk tolerance, okay? You dump a little bit of money in. Number goes up. You work on removing initial investment, enough for taxes, profit, and then whatever you have left over is you own free and clear, okay? You own free and clear, so you're still in the game, but you remove that risk. So if something happens, if the project goes to zero, somebody rugs, something happens, guess what? No risk, it's house money. Remove initial investment, remove some profits, enough to pay taxes, rinse and repeat, okay? It's called a moon bag. And then if that thing starts pumping again, guess what? And I'm going to show you a good example. I think it's Doggo. I'll show you. I have to double check though. I think it's that one. There's so many dog and cat coins. But then if keeps going up, guess what? You can keep pulling profit out, or you can decide to reinvest in it. But I'm telling you, Moonbag is the way to go. You're never going to sell the top and you're never going to buy the bottom. Very rare that's going to happen. So now that we got that out of the way, we got the unsexy boringness out of the way, let's go. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. My portfolio is 100% Apu. Shout out to the Apu community. You guys know I love you. I love the Apu community. All right. Flame of Floki. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Now that we got all the risk crap out of the way, okay? Right. Also, too, is it this one here? This. Before we get into the meme coins, which we are, and the ordinals and runes, blah, 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 this right here is really important to know. So Vitalik sold some meme coins for 651 Ethereum, about $1.61 million. And this was earlier, I think, yesterday, the middle of the night. But again, Moondang, Master, Ebull, Popcat, Milo, FWOG, T-Caddy, and some other crap, okay? So this can cause negative price action, so just understand, okay? Because a lot of these coins, they send money to Vitalik, and then he sells them and sells them and donates to charity. But just understand this, okay? There's always people with more capital, more bags than you. So anyways, the first one, we're gonna do runes, and then we're gonna get into Sol, and then we're gonna get into Ethereum. Runes and the BIPs and the BRC20. So these are the based internet pandas, super, super, super cute. So I want to give them a shout out. Ordinals and all kinds of stuff. So we're giving them a shout out. Are they memes? Yes. What are we translating this to? Let's see. Internet panda, much good, BIP. Okay. So it's based internet panda. Just sharing this with you. Next, we've got the billionaire dollar cat. I think that's Billy. And I think I got some Billies somewhere. No, these are somewhere. I don't even know. Oh, yeah. I've got a couple of these. So there's that. Pay attention to that. Pay attention to that. And this one is a cute one, Gizmo. Gizmo Imaginary Kitten. Super cute. Community Rune released under viral public license, VPL, no dev, no pre-mine, Gizmo. I wish I would have got some of these, but I didn't. I really want one. Super cute, super adorable. So again, there's that. Now, let's get into some other degen stuff. This is frog emoji, and it is literally a frog, or it's emoji. Some of these emoji coins are absolutely popping off, okay? Absolutely popping off. And we're probably going to see a lot more of these emojis coming to Solana. So there's this, and I'm invested in this. Okay? So this is going to be the emoji frog on Solana over here. And this is going to be on Deck Screener. Where's the thing? Here we go. Let's take a look at market cap over here. That's what we want to see. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. All right. So let's take a look at the daily first. Okay. So this thing absolutely sent like crazy, pumped like crazy. So shout out to anybody who got in. Shout out. Again, should you buy tops like this? That's up to you. Right now, as far as the market cap goes, market cap is only at about $2 million. Liquidity is about $177,000. Keep that in mind, okay? Be cautious. Taking a look at the 4 hour, we went down a little bit. We went all the way down to 1.28 market cap, and now we're back at 2 million. And taking a look at the 15, this is the one that we like. We're looking nicely here. This is actually looking pretty decent. So be cautious, but yes, we are 100% invested in that. And now we have another cutie over here. This is Moo Dung's cousin. So Moo Dung and Moo Dang's cousin, which is a CTO, absolutely insane. Invested in this too. So apparently, you guys know the Moo Dang from the Tiki Taki. Also too, I found another TikTok meme that's I don't think they've made it into a token yet. I'm not going to say what it is, but if y'all are on TikTok, you know what I'm talking about. This little cutie is so crazy, so freaking funny. If they don't meme this, oh my gosh. But anyways, let's talk a little bit about Moo Dang. Moo Dang's cousin, the CTO. Okay, so this is his cousin, and the cousin is like even more scrappy than like Moo Duong. I'm like, it's like a hot mess, okay? They're at the same zoo, and like, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but it's freaking cute. Like, look at this. I may be Moo Dang's cousin, but I'm here to create my own legacy. Look at this. Look how cute she is, boy or girl. Oh my goodness, what a cutie. So anyways, this is the chart over here. This is the chart. This is actually, I like these. I like these charts that essentially have bottomed out. These are generally primed for more up. Okay, hold on. I want to find the market cap. Let's click over here. Woo! There we go. I like looking at the market cap instead of price. So this market cap, this is under $1 million, which is good. It's at 562. Liquidity is about 66,000. So understand that. But we're nicely bottomed out here. And again, this is the hourly. Let's see. And again, I'm an idiot on the internet. This is not financial advice, okay? Yeah, we're bottomed out really nicely here. This thing could potentially run like crazy. Can it dump even more? Yes, it totally can. But honestly, market cap being at about 500,000 is not too bad. Not too bad. So I think it's okay. Okay. All right, now, skibbity toilet. Shout out to Eric Gizmo. I already shilled that stuff, Eric. I'm going to make Eric as a moderator. We'll just give you managing moderator for fun. All right, there's that. Now, let's talk about Doggo. Okay, and I think this is the one, I have to double check, and this is why I have notes. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is Doggo Inu, and it's old from 2 years ago. Now this is the perfect example of a moon bag, okay? Could you imagine buying this coin from 2 years ago? Can you imagine buying it from 2 years ago, already taking your profit, already making a moon bag and just moving on, and then, okay, this coin's dead, like what's going on? Then 2 years later, it pumps. This is why we moon bag. This is exactly why we moon bag. The reason why is old coin from 2 years ago got revived because it went to zero, some drama, whatever happened. I don't even know. There's too much to keep track of. So what happens is you're in these projects, you make a moon bag, then it goes to zero, and then somebody decides to revive it. Like 2 years later, guess what? Your savings, your Memecoin savings account number went up. Cool, take profit. Way back in the day, though, before we had like the technology that we had, and the Doggo Inu is on ETH. People, what they would do is they would take dead Cryptopia coins that completely were dead, and they would buy whatever was left, and then they would rebrand and they would make it meme coins or whatever. They would do all kinds of crazy stuff. But it's different now because you could just make new coins like this. Anyways, so there's that. And we talked about Doggo a while back, and that one ran like crazy. So most of you made money on that. But anyways, I think this is when we were talking about it. I forget when. But now Goo. This is also, okay, so this is Goo. This is Goo Baby Nero. What the hell? Goo Baby Nero. My mom Nero tells me to dream big so that one day I can be like my Uncle Doge. What in the actual hee-haw? There's so many damn meme coins. So basically it's Baby Nero, and they also have NFTs, I guess. I don't know. This is the chart over here. This thing is pumping again. Market cap is 17.6 million, so it's a bit high. But if you look back over here, again, there's a lot of people that accumulated over here. Let me go to the market cap. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's a bit high, but again, it's could run a little bit more. Could it go to 100 million? It totally can. At the same time, it's a bit high, so I'd be a little bit cautious with that. And there's other ones that have lower market caps that are more risk, but at the same time, when things hit a higher market cap, they could be more sustainable. It kind of really depends. So as far as today goes, I have to look at my list of everything that we talked about, okay? We talked about dog. We talked about based internet panda. We talked about billion-dollar cat. These are the Bitcoin ones over here. Dog, base panda, billion-dollar cat, Gizmo. Look how cutie this guy is. And then we talked about frog on Solana, which is just the emoji. There's also a dog one. There's a cat one. We talked about Moodang, Duong. I think this one is on ETH. Yes. Wrapped ETH. Then we talked about Doggo on Wrapped ETH. Then we talked about Goo on Wrapped ETH. So Bitcoin's probably going to close around like $62,000, $63,000 today. Meme coins are going absolutely bonkers. You're going to make more money with meme coins than you are with a lot of the other stuff. But again, I'm going to tell you too, the gaming stuff is going absolutely crazy too. Like Avalanche off the grid. And if you guys have been watching Crypto Stash, she's been talking about this stuff for a long time. And then whatever. So anyways, that's the show for today. I hope this helped, but I'm going to get going. I don't know where the cap is to my thingy. But anyways, pay attention to runes and BRC20. Also pay attention to Moonshot. Ref link down below, not financial advice, but it's going to be a lot easier for you to get into meme coins using Moonshot. Again, I'm an idiot on the internet. I have no value whatsoever besides being an idiot on the internet. Again, we have ref links for Femex and Margex down below. And as always, shout out to SQUIDGROW. And I cannot wait for Silent Swap to drop, because once it drops, it's going to make my life so much easier. Anyway, sending you all love and light. WendyO is out.